Today we're making these amazing mini lemon pies that are just so easy to make. They have the most incredible creamy texture and that perfect tangy kick from fresh lemons. This is such a great beginner recipe and the perfect easy dessert for parties, get-togethers, or birthdays because it makes about 15 to 16 mini pies, and I know you're absolutely going to love them. To get started, we're going to crush 110 grams of your favorite cookies. You can use whatever you like, and graham crackers work perfectly here too. We're also going to toss in 1 tablespoon or 6 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, but that's totally optional. You can just keep the cookies as they are, or skip the cocoa powder if you're already using chocolate cookies. By the way, those 110 grams of cookies come out to about 1 cup of crushed cookies if you're using measuring cups to make this recipe. We just need to process everything until it turns into really fine crumbs. Next, let's grab a large bowl and add a 1/4 cup or 55 grams of unsalted butter. We'll pop it in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds just until it melts. It doesn't need to be super hot, we're just looking to melt it down. Now, let's pour our cookie crumbs right into that melted butter and mix it all together with a spatula. We're looking for a texture that feels like wet sand. Let's grab a mini cupcake pan and line it with paper liners. We're going to place about 1 level tablespoon of the cookie mixture into the bottom of each liner. Then, using a small glass or any flat-bottomed tool, just press down firmly to create a nice compact base for our pies. For the filling, let's grab another large bowl and pour in 1 1/3 cups or 395 grams of sweetened condensed milk, which is about a 14-ounce can. Then, let's add a 1/3 cup or 80 grams of pure lemon juice without any added water or sugar. I'm using freshly squeezed juice here because it gives the best flavor. Next, we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 egg yolks. Let's just whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy. You'll notice the lemon juice makes the condensed milk thicken up a bit, and that's totally normal. Look how creamy this is becoming. It gets a beautiful, rich texture. Now, we're just going to transfer this delicious filling into our lined pan, leaving a tiny bit of space at the top so it doesn't overflow. For the mini cupcake size we're using, this will make about 15 to 16 mini pies. If you decide to use a regular standard size cupcake pan instead, you'll get about 9 to 10 pies. We're going to pop the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for about 15 minutes. We want them to feel mostly set but still have a tiny bit of a jiggle right in the center, since they're going to firm up beautifully later in the fridge. Once they're done, carefully take them out. They'll be pretty delicate while they're hot. Place them on a cooling rack for a few minutes and then move them to the fridge for at least 2 hours so that creamy filling can completely set up. You can leave them in there for at least 2 hours or right up until you're ready to serve them. Just before serving, we can decorate them with whipped cream and some fun, colorful sprinkles. You can store these in the fridge for up to 3 days, but I definitely recommend adding the whipped cream right before you serve them so it stays nice and fresh. If you like this easy lemon dessert recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple baking ideas. See you in the next video.